In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $9,200 in just 2 weeks promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Facebook. If you want to earn commission, I will show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. And people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys step by step how we can create an affiliate account like this one and how we can promote your affiliate links using free traffic to earn commission. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss these methods that I will share for free in this video. And let's get started. Okay, so I made this commission just in 15 days. Okay, from the first day of April this month until the day 15 of April. Okay, I made $9,200. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot. I can click over here. You have affiliate marketing, and as you have Fiverr affiliates, and as you can see, dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post bag, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store, and so on. Okay, so anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, you need first to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. What you need to do next is you just need to click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Super easy. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable and good services that people will be interested to buy from you so you can earn commission. Okay, and I will share with you guys the method that I'm using to find a good services and how do I find people who will be interested to buy those services from my affiliate links using Facebook. Okay, so first go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, like this, go back to your Fiverr homepage and I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Okay, so first let me show you. Click on the search and search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design. Let me see. We need to search for, okay, you need to search for logo design. Okay, so let's go back and click on the search and search for logo. Search for logo design. Okay, like this. And I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. Let me see if we can find a good one. So for example, we have really a lot of sellers here. We have this one. This one is really looking good. As you can see, this one is top rated seller. He has almost 5-star, a lot of reviews. And so I will just click on his service. You just need to click on his service and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page and you can see how many orders this seller has in queue. That's really a lot of people are buying this service. Okay, a lot of people are searching for how to create business or logo design, okay, for their businesses, branding, or so on. Okay, and people keep coming back, people keep buying more logos from this seller. That's really good. So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, you have Fiverr affiliate, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, click on marketing tools, okay, and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So if you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, that's fine, because me, I have a Fiverr affiliate old account almost like 4 years now. Okay, so for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, so you can copy your affiliate link from here, or you can scroll down, you have this one, you have logo maker, you can copy also your affiliate link from here. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook. So just open your Facebook homepage. You guys all have Facebook page, so just open your Facebook homepage like this. Okay, super easy. Click on the search for logo design like this. Okay, search for logo design. You have here filters, scroll down and click on groups. We need Facebook groups. Here you go, you need to join all those groups. Make sure to join all those groups. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about logo design. So click on join, make sure to join all those groups. So we will use those groups to find people who are searching for logo designer. Okay, so let's check, for example, this group over here. I need a logo designer. So just click on the group that you want to use. You will be directly in this homepage. Scroll down and here you go. I need a logo designer from Pakistan. Okay, this person looking for logo designer. Let's scroll down. We can find a lot of people. Here is another person. I need logo designer. This person is searching for logo designer. This person is searching for this seller, okay, this service about logo design. Okay, so what you will do, you will click, so I will click on his name, okay, and I will click on message. Okay, you need to send a professional and friendly message to this person with your affiliate link. So if this person is still searching for logo designer, he will check your affiliate link. He will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. He will find this seller is top rated seller, has a lot of orders in queue. People keep coming back. This seller providing good service for his customers. This person who is looking for logo designer will click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link. You will earn commission. If you can do it, then the problem is you. Okay, the business model is very clear, guys. Okay, it's clear. Okay, and it's logical, it's clear. Those people are searching for logo designer, and you will go back to Fiverr and use those uh, sellers and promote those services for those sellers on Facebook groups as an affiliate marketer to earn commission. Okay, let me show you how you can create a friendly and professional message. Okay, I will share this with you guys, no problem. Okay, for free. So go to ChatGPT, just use the free version. Okay, go to ChatGPT, use free version, super easy. Okay, you need to use AI, will help you to create a good and friendly message. So I asked ChatGPT create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy logo design service from my affiliate link, from my Fiverr affiliate link. And ChatGPT created this friendly message for me, and it's really good. Okay, hey everyone, are you looking for a stunning logo to represent your brand or business? Look no further. I have recently come across an amazing logo design service on Fiverr that I just had to share with you all. Fiverr has a talented pool of graphic designer who can bring your vision to life, whether you are a startup or small businesses. It's a really good message, okay, as you can see, guys. So what you will do, you will copy this message from here, you will go back to this person, you will put this message here, okay, like this. You can put your name here, but I don't want this one. I will just make it like this. Then you need to put your affiliate link here and search your affiliate link. Okay, let me first delete the first. I will delete this part. Okay, and they will leave this message. Are you looking for standing logo? Okay, that's really good. Let me show you. I will delete this part. I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, like this. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay, like this. Scroll down. If you are promoting logo design service, scroll down. You have here logo maker, okay. Copy your affiliate link from here, okay, like this. So this affiliate link is too much long, so we can make it short. Let's go to Google and you can search for this website, okay, like this. Click on the first link. You can make this affiliate link short, okay. You can put this affiliate link here, paste, and you can click over here on shorten, okay, like this, and your affiliate link will be short link. Here you go. I will click on copy, and your affiliate link is good now, it's ready. Okay, I will put my affiliate link here, paste, okay, here you go, like this, and they will click over here on send, okay, and here you go. Your message will be sent to this person, okay, like this. If this person is still searching for logo designer, he will check this message. This message is looking good, friendly message, good message. He will click on your affiliate link. For example, if he click on this affiliate link like this, let's see, he will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. He will click on continue. He will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, and that's it. So if you can't convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link, then you have a problem, okay. You need to go to YouTube and search for how to sell, okay, and watch videos. You need to learn the skills of selling. You need to learn how you can sell services and products, okay. Go to YouTube. You can find a lot of videos that will help you to learn how you can sell, okay, because this is the method that I'm using, guys, to earn a lot of commission every single month, okay, just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, and so much more for free, okay. I find people who are searching for those services. You can check it. Let's check another group, for example, okay. Like I said, you can find a lot of people here. This is new group, okay. Let's scroll down. Here you go. I need a logo for my company. This person is looking for a logo for his company. If we scroll down, here is another person. I need logo. Let's scroll down. I need logo for cloth brand. Then I show you how you can create your affiliate accounts. I show you how you can create your affiliate link. I show you how you can find people who will be interested, who are already searching for this service. So what's left is just you. You need to connect those sellers. You need to connect those sellers on Fiverr with those buyers who are searching for on how to I need logo, who are searching for logo design service, and that's it. If you know how to do it, you can make a lot of money every single day for free, just using free traffic, and that's it. If we scroll down, you can find And every day, if you come to those groups, you can find new people searching for logo design service. Okay, here is another person. I need logo. We scroll down. Hello, can anyone help me with a clothing brand logo? This one is looking for clothing brand logo. If we scroll down and so on, guys. Okay, the business model is very clear. So it's just your work. So the problem now is you. Okay, because a lot of people always keep saying in the comments, it's not working, you cannot make commission, it's fake. I don't understand how this is fake. Those people are searching for logo design service. Those people on Fiverr providing a good design service, they are selling this service on Fiverr. I connect those sellers with those people who are searching for logo design, and I earn commission every single day, and that's it. So this is the method that I'm using, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys are interested and or you don't know exactly, you are a beginner and you want this to be from scratch, step by step, let me know in the comments. Just comment affiliate marketing, because I'm working on a course that will be ready very soon in next few days. So if you are interested, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will share more methods in my course that will help you to earn your first commission in just short time. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.